We are here another glorious day. Well, shifter time. Welcome back to another video here at chrisrodproductions, and if you haven't already, be sure to leave a like on this particular video. And if you are brand new here, welcome from your boy to you, and smash the sub button down below, man. Let's get it. So we're pretty much coming out of here as of our glorious day job. I still work a 9 to 5, so if you think I'm a self-centered prick who doesn't have a job, here we are. I got a job. It sucks as per usual, but we're here to test out, or not even test out, we're here to basically just drive the car, POV action, your view, and we're gonna enjoy the shifter, man, because I just been enjoying it. It's great. So yeah, man, UPR billet shifter, great shifter. What a postal service guy. Anyway, look, man, I like this shifter a lot. I truly do. And for those of you that don't know, the original shifter that I had prior to this one was a Hurst shifter. So it was like all the way up here. It was a very smooth shifter, but this one's just notchy. I like it, man. I really like it. The car's still cold right now, so I can't really kind of beat on it quite yet. I'm trying to figure out when this is gonna warm up, and it's gonna take some time. I'll be real. We just started the car, so it's gonna take time to warm. So there's not gonna be much talking. I'll probably have a little bit of snippets of me talking here and there, but you know, not much of a talking video. Just want to show the car with the shifter, just enjoy a little drive, man. That's pretty much it. And I still can't beat on the car right now, so I'm taking it slow. Taking it slow. There's no way this person's going this slow. I like this shifter, man. This shifter's really, I don't know. The feel is nice. If I could give a comparison to the similarities, you know, of the shifter, you know, to compare it, I just said compare and similar. It's the same thing. Anyway, the comparison, I've driven a 2019 Type R, and it has a nice notchy feel. That's the best way I can explain how this shifter feels. It's nice and notchy. Gets right into the gear you want, man. It's really good. Dumbass Rivan? Stupid electric cars, man. Come on, get those out of here, bro. Oh, is that a Riviera? Are you kidding me? That's a Buick Riviera, dude. That thing is nice. Hopefully you guys can see that. Can you see it? Oh my god, is that that's a beauty. Beauty, dude. Not for nothing. I'm also thinking of changing this exhaust too, man. I don't know. I'm like over this whole Flowmaster Outlaw with the X. I kind of want an H-pipe back in this thing, man. I gotta see what this sounds like with an H. See, a little something on the downshift, little something, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something, bro. Nothing crazy. This shifter's tough. Like, okay, real quickly, I get it. You guys like the MGW, that's fine. But like, I just want to be different, you know what I mean? No way, no way, no way. Go for it. No way, bro. Like, I didn't see that, actually. much ready to wrap this up. Guys, check it out. This sun is blinding me. My car is dirty. If you guys enjoyed this video and you found it enjoyable, or wait, hold on, redo. Guys, if you enjoyed this video in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget for your boy, be sure to join the clip by simply smashing the subscribe button, and as well as ring that notification bell. And until this, my boy Chris Rod, and I'll see all you beautiful people in the next one, man.
Deja que ella te arrebate, pero no la maltrate. No es simplemente una mata. Préndele, dos cachas y sube para la nube.